Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
will. Please cooperate as I ask you some questions.
Oh, okay.
Sure, that's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa! En naar je motor gaan blikken. Neem nou een slokje water.
Ook die hik in, soldaat.
Jongen, daar, zet hem neer.
Forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder. Kazinga.
The light turned green.
He's moving again. Wow, he's so good. Forget it. Wait a minute. What?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two.
Kids!
Nah, sekarang bawa anak-anak ke tempat yang aman.
Baiklah.
Aku
But I am looking for piston peak air attack.
You are there!
Copy that, Jefe.
Fancy helicopter you was talking about.
Boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how the...
Bye. Have a wonderful day, School B. Hi, Cap.
So,
Won the Piston Cup.
We have a three-way tie.
Queen and Sally, Parthenasia Cake, K-I-S-S.
Signorina Sally. It is official. Lightning Queen is the luckiest car in the world.
Your blinker's on. What? No, it's not. Hey, your blinker's on.
Good comeback.
in his entire career.
To this day, he holds the record for most second-place finishes.
I doubt it will never win this race. Rito, it's time.
Everything okay?
If you're worried about your fuel, man, don't. It's perfectly safe.
No,
I can't stop
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Tomica?
Choice. Mater didn't get to say goodbye.
Goodbye! Okay, I'm good.
start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy clown.
I hope you got...
Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will beat his...
And a lot of them. You know what to do, just like we rehearsed. It's the ghost.
In a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?